Do we have a serious government, or we simply have jokers, the people who are joking in the positions of power? Why are you giving your criticizers oxygen? Because when you are in government, you must be listening very carefully. What is the opposition saying? Uchigadzirisa. Ndo basa rako, ndo basa reopposition. Then when it comes to the issues of the election, people will say, okay, zvazvaitaurwa neopposition uyu mfesa aigadzirisa, but opposition inoratidza kuti yaiva neruzivo. Vobva vamboti argai timboisawo opposition yanga iripo. You see, that is how you build nations. So instead of destroying the opposition, instead of hunting the people who are telling the truth, I believe that President Mnangagwa needs to focus much on other things. So says ED must not pretend to the general public as though has kuzviziva kuti munyika hamuna masoka grounds. So, you know, we can't even find what is the problem with him, because chief secretary ndiye aitoitawo kuzevezera, and you will say then I am informed by the. So there is ignorance right there. It's either it's ignorance or that man is suffering from amnesia. Those are the two possibilities which are there, which means either way, you need to reconsider his position and make sure that we do not continue to have this 2030 thing.